Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a post on Substack step by step in a clear and simple way. So step 1 is to log in Substack. Start by going to substack.com and log in into your account using your email and password. Now you have to open dashboard. In the top right side, you can see the dashboard option. By click on this, here you can see the post option on the page. By click on this will show you a list of everything you have published, including your draft. As you can see here, the draft option. Now you have to choose the post you want to delete. So I'm choosing this post which I'm want to delete. By click on three dot, here you can see the delete option. Once you click, a confirmation box will pop up asking if you are sure, because once you delete it, it's gone forever. Click on delete and that's it. Your post is permanently removed from your publication. Keep in mind this action cannot be undone. So if you think you might need the content later, it's better to unpublish it or save it as draft instead. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.